All right, put me in, coach, I'm ready. It seems like in an era where everybody's got binos protected and strapped to their chest, it inspired the Quick Call Chest Pack by Bone Collector, and this thing's got it all. Unbelievable for running and gunning. We'll start from the bottom up here. You got your box call holder, and it cinches tight regardless of what size box call you got. You can just get cinches down. I know the biggest fear a lot of people have with that is that the box call's rattling around making noise, so not anymore. You can see there it's snug and ready for battle. Move up the grid and unzip the main compartment here. You got you can put all your good luck diaphragms, the best ones you like right there. Easy obviously to get to. You got a spot for your crow call and owl call, or whatever you want. You can put shotgun shells there, however you want to do it. And then for your slate calls, glass calls, plenty of room right there. Pull them in and out. Cool thing about it I like is during turkey season, obviously your vest always kind of does a dust buildup. This thing right here seals off good to where you should keep it all protected. And then you go to your back compartment, which is the third compartment here. You got room for all your strikers. So the Quick Call Chest Pack by Bone Collector is pretty neat. Can't wait to use this thing, especially in late season when it gets hot. You don't have near the baggage to carry along, so this thing's gonna be pretty cool.